gonna paint cars.
Okay, so they got their paints, they got their cars, and they are ready to go. Let's see. Let's do it. There you go. So you just drop some paint on the paper.
Like the car.
Okay, let's go. Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, is that a donut?
Yep.
Nice. Then we got some painting going on. Look at that. It's got a nice gloss to it. Okay, we got another car coming in. Look how the color turns out when you mix it together. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Okay, you ready for another color?
Yes.
Okay, here you go. Oh, little drips this time. Oh. Okay, let's see. And Stefan, I see you joined the party.
Ready?
Let's see what you're doing. Whoa. Nice. It's drifting art. Oh, that's cool. Nice. Oh, you already got your guy in there. Nice. Oh, Stefan's doing a Papa Wheelie over here.
Papa Willie.
Oh, a front Papa Wheelie? Let's see. Nice.
Ready?
Ready? Yeah. Look at that guy. Look at him go. Look at your art. It looks awesome.
Just the wheels are getting wet.
Uh-oh. Got some spinneroos.
That actually kind of looks cool.
Does look cool. I like that design. Oh, that's awesome. There you go. The boys are doing some Hot Wheel art crafts. And it's just fun. Throw some paint on a paper and let them go crazy. And you never know what you're gonna get. I love it. Oh, that's cool. Look at the colors. Look at the colors. It's actually really pretty. It's actually really pretty. Who needs paintbrushes when you got fingers? Woo-wee! Well, there you go, you guys. This is our version of Hot Wheels monster truck art. Thanks for watching our video, guys. Have an amazing day. And remember, every day is a great day to have fun. So grab some paint and get some paper and just go for it. Yeah! Yeah! Woo! That's awesome!